Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments. So now, if you take a look at this right here, we are on a pullback level on our gold. Why we are on a pullback level is that when you go to your weekly time frame, so guys, once again, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not yet subscribed, you have to click on that subscribe button. Now, why we are on a pullback on gold, if you take a look at it here, this is a massive bullish move, right? So once you have this movement like this, you can see that. Let's start from here for quick analysis. Let's just take it like this. This is our high, and here's our higher low. Markets eventually give us this massive high, right? After market give us this massive high, what the market do next? Markets eventually give us a pullback. You can see that gave us this pullback. The market eventually started rallying up and gave us this massive bullish move. And after that massive bullish move, what next? A pullback was made. So this is exactly what gold is currently at. We are currently at a pullback level. So gold is still giving us that pullback level. So we should be expecting that pullback level probably to a level of 4140. That should be my target, right? Between this week and next week, a level of 4140, 4140. So if markets can come back to a level of 4140, then we can now start expecting a continuous movement upward. But right now, we are on a pullback. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. If you take a look at this here, right, this is also trending upward. The market eventually dropped massively. This is to tell you that the trend from an uptrend move has now changed to a downtrend. So we are now on a downtrend move. That is why we will now go down to our 4-hour time frame. So we can see that this 4-hour time frame, we first add this low, and here is the lower high. Market eventually give us this massive low. So your next movement on your gold is a lower high. So this lower high is just a little bit of a bullish move correction, right? Just a little bit of a bullish move correction. So once this lower high plays out finish, you're expecting gold to give us another drop, which will be a new lower low. So right now, a lower high is currently playing. So let's see it play out to a level of 4357. Let's see it, or 4357 or 4359. Within that level, we can now start looking for our sell setup that will eventually give us a sell. Remember, do not take the sell if you do not find the sell setup. Only take the sell once you get the sell setup. As long as you do not see the sell setup, do not sell. But once you find the sell setup, go ahead and take the sell. Now let's go down to the 1-hour time frame. So market is still pushing up. So let's see it push up a little bit. Then sell setup should play out for you guys and take the sell. If there will be any changes to this moment, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, click on that subscribe button now.